Let's take a look at the claimable and upcoming Cosmos ecosystem airdrops for December of 2022. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, I like to cover a variety of different projects on this channel. From the real degen projects to blue chips like we're going to cover today in Cosmos ATOM, and also the low market cap gems that can possibly do a 25 to 50x in a bull run. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any airdrops in the future. And also drop a like on the video, I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, every time I try to do these airdrop videos, I think there's only a couple airdrops and it ends up being a pile of them. So let's start here on Twitter with the Aqua airdrops. And if we go down here, they just posted this tweet saying that there's a pre-sale and there's a direct link to it. So if we go, if we click on that link, it goes to this pre-sale where it says there's 48 hours left, and it says there's an Aqua flash sale page. It's 1 penny per Aqua token, and it says already Aqua price on Kujera is already 3.2 cents. So it's over 3x from the penny pre-sale price already. It says they've been hinting at this arbitrage opportunity for a couple weeks now. Aqua aims to officially launch on Wind protocol, subject to change, and we're also considering Osmos Frontier as well. You should also be on the lookout for an incentivized Aqua USK pool on BOW on Kujera this week. And then it says you could purchase, they show you how to purchase it. So I guess you could send the corresponding amount of JUNO to our JUNO address below. It says for everybody who purchases over $100 USD worth of Aqua pre-sale tokens, you'll also be receiving 500 extra Aqua and then 500 each of these other tokens here. This isn't an airdrop, this is a pre-sale, so I just wanted to show you this really quickly before they take this off their Twitter page, because it said here that they were only going to leave it here for 15 to 20 minutes. So that's a quick overview of that. I just wanted to get that because it was breaking news. I'm going to put this video out as soon as possible when I'm done with it, just so you guys get the info as soon as possible. That's why it's always good to subscribe to the channel, because I'm always doing Cosmos airdrop updates on YouTube Shorts and full videos and on my Twitter. And if you want to follow my Twitter, it's the APY guy, the_APY_guy. Okay, enough of that shilling stuff. Now let's go to Harbor Protocol. That's the one that just came out the other day. The thing with this, I didn't realize that you have to have a VPN if you're in the United States. You can't access the site if you're from the United States. You have to have a VPN. I do have one. I use ExpressVPN. It's just, it's really easy. I have it connected to all my computers and all my devices. Okay, once you're on the Harbor Protocol.1 dashboard, you go down to the 3 dots that says More. You click on that, then you click on Airdrop. And then down here on the bottom right, once it loads up, you can check your eligibility. And then your address will pop up. If it doesn't, you can copy and paste it. And then you hit check. And I got 22.21 Harbor, and then I got 88.85 VE Harbor. I think that's liquid tokens, maybe. Okay, so that's that. And then there's a way to stake them, I believe. We go back to More and then hit Stake. Yeah, create stake position. 1 month. I'm just going to go ahead and stake all my Harbor tokens, and I'll do it right here for you. I'm just doing maximum, and then I'm going down here and hit stake, and then you'll probably do a small transaction in your wallet, in your Kepler wallet. There we go. Okay, that's pretty simple and easy. That's how to claim, and that's how to stake. If we go to the second one, is the Eclipsepad airdrop announcement. They're announcing everything you need to do to get their airdrop. It says the biggest portion will go to JUNO stakers, as it is our first home, and we do see the importance of co-creating with this community. The community will benefit massively from being early and by staking their tokens on launch. The airdrop will be a fair drop and be strategically targeted to each community based on a set of parameters. These parameters and snapshots are not announced in this article, but will be released in the coming weeks. Okay, so you got 5 tasks down here. I'm not going to really read them through completely, and they just show the portion of the airdrop that's going to go to these, like set up a wallet, follow on Twitter, claim the NFT, drop 10%, participate in a test IDO, stake some Eclipse token, farm Eclipse token, and then it comes down to here where it says the amount that's going to be allocated to each community. So the most is going to JUNO, then Osmosis, and then it shows the other ones are getting a little bit here. Loop is getting quite a bit as well. So this is just an announcement of what you need to do to qualify. And then it says that they're going to be, there's about 6% of the token supply will go towards the airdrop. So if you want to read this through completely, it's in the Medium article for Eclipsepad. And this will be, it doesn't say a date really. It just says coming soon. The next one is C4E, which is Chain 4 Energy. You have to have a minimum of 50 ATOM tokens staked. And it says up to a maximum of 10,000 ATOM tokens are eligible for receiving the airdrop. There's different ways you can boost that allocation. And then also you could check your eligibility. They give you there's a link down here. You can click on it and see what it does. I don't think it's ready yet. It's just showing what will be available, and it shows more about the token itself. And it's going to be able to be staked. So if we go back, it says you'll be able to check your eligibility on the website. Information will be available by the end of 2022. And this is the airdrop. Tokens are going to be available for claiming at the end of Q1 of 2023. So this is a little premature. I'm just kind of giving you all the information I have possible each month. And like I said before, make sure you subscribe so you get updates as soon as possible. Anytime I find more updates on different airdrops, I post them on Twitter or do some type of video for them. Okay, the next one is Mon Blockchain testnet. I just want to go over this really quick because this guy here, Adam's Research, he did a really good job of showing this thread of how to get these airdrops. There's different steps. There's 4 different steps, and he goes through this where you can go on to here and sign on to the network, and then go to the faucet and get some little bit of Mon tokens from the faucet to claim. I haven't been able to do that. I tried it a couple times. It didn't quite go through. Then it shows how to stake. If you go to the website and stake the tokens, and then down here it says you want to go to the Discord. I did get into the Discord, and I'm trying to get that airdrop role. I haven't been able to get it yet. I haven't had time to do everything they want me to do in there. But yeah, the Discord, you want to get into that Discord and then follow their directions to get that airdrop role. I did react with a present or whatever, and I still don't have the role yet. So there's got to be something else that I missed. But I just wanted to keep you updated on that. And props to this guy. He did a really good job with that thread. Okay, this next one, this just came out today. The QuickSilver is launching. It's a liquid staking protocol. There's a lot more to it. But they say that the chain is starting this week, I believe. If I find the date on it. Yeah, December 16th with an expected total of 100 Genesis validators. The staking airdrop part, it says Q1 of 2023. Over 50% of the Genesis supply will be going to incentivizing the community and driving usage. The goal of the airdrop model is to ensure QuickSilver protocols in the hands of its present and future community, and QCK tokens are spread as far and wide across the Cosmos ecosystem. This article came out today. If I go to this older one here, it shows down here exactly what is going to be distributed. It says 30% of the total is going to be distributed as staking rewards. That's not what I was looking for here. Unlimited airdrops. The Genesis airdrops will reward stakers on Cosmos, JUNO, and Osmosis. After this, stakers on chains boarded to the QuickSilver protocol will receive airdrops upon onboarding. So they're going to incentivize staking on it, on their platform. The team claims there's a formula based on how you stake instead of how much you stake. More details soon. The token holders control QuickSilver changes in parameters, incentives, distribution, and onboarding zones. QuickSilver token distribution, you can use Quick in staking for governance and pay fees and other incentives for staking. And then they show the distribution. The initial allocation of 200 million Quick is as follows. They show incentives and airdrops and everything else. So this is going to be airdropped Q1. I'm just really excited about this protocol. I really like liquid staking, and sometimes when you farm tokens and you put them in different protocols, you lose some of the airdrops. So they're saying that if you use their platform, that you're guaranteed to get all the airdrops that you're supposed to get. That is the rundown for December 2022 Cosmos ecosystem airdrops. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any airdrops in the future. I'll do this every month at least. And if there's any little updates, I can do them on a YouTube short, or I will update them on Twitter. Make sure you follow me on Twitter as well. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.